So as you can see, we have a package from Amazon.in, and it contains Yuphoria, the Micromax's answer to most of the Chinese phones like Xiaomi's and Redmi 1S. So I'm going to unpack Yuphoria U. First of all, let's go through some of the specs. As you can see, so Yuphoria U is a subsidiary from Micromax, and this phone was released in May of 2015, and it is a 5-inch phone with Qualcomm Snapdragon 410 chipset and quad-core chip. It has 16 GB of inbuilt memory, just like Moto X, and 2 GB of RAM, again like Moto X. So I can see it have got a lot of features from Moto X. Let's keep this aside. I think this is a waste of paper because nobody actually reads this. Okay, but we're good to go. And yeah, of course, the 2230 mAh battery. This should give us at least a day of juice. Alright, let's put this packages aside and see what we have. So we had a battery, we had a booklet, we had a USB charger and an AC adapter, and the headphones and the laminated card, and of course our phone. So let's push all of this aside, if you will. Now let's open the phone. Alright, So this is our Yuphoria, Yuphoria, and the back side. If you're not noticed, the back of Yuphoria we have a nice ring camera, but it is not a ring flash, and it is actually 8 megapixel 1080p video shooter, so it's quite capable. And then a YU logo designed by YU, assembled in China. I think they're at least honest about it. And the speaker grill, as you can see, there's one speaker grill, so it should not produce stereophonic sound, but that's okay. So on the sides of this phone we have a nice bezel. This actually looks like metallic, but it is not. It is actually plastic, but it does give it a premium feel. It is 5-inch phone, so you can imagine the size if you have another 5-inch phone with you. So let's remove this cover and reveal its true beauty. Alright, now one of the hardest part is to insert battery in this phone. So to insert the phone we will have to remove the back, which can be done from here. Just from nails, and this is not so easy. I was already prepared, so mind you. Then we will remove the plastic cover from this phone here, from this battery. Now let's point these nodes to these pins. So we have the battery inserting this way. Alright, we have the battery. We will put this cover back. It goes right inside with a little snap. A little push here, and it is now solid. We'll start the phone. The power button is on top of, I guess, no, not on the side. So the power button is actually the middle button of the volume rocker. So this is nice. So we'll keep it pressed and the phone is started. So the actual weight of the phone booting. Mind you, this is booting the first time in the nice Cyanogenmod logo. The phone is upgrading. So it is already started. We'll select United States, English. We will skip the Wi-Fi for now. It is telling me the SIM card is missing, which is obvious because I haven't put any SIM card. Speaking of which, the place of the SIM card goes behind the battery, which is okay. Just next. But I don't want to improve location accuracy. This is something which we'll decide later. Next. Get in time. This is okay. This is not okay. But since this is just a video, I'll just skip this. Now the phone is actually booting, or it will boot after I press start. Alright. So here we go. This was the unpacking video, and we will see in the next video some more features about this phone. Video was brought to you by techreview.com. If you like this video, please don't forget to like or share, since so that we can make more such videos in the future. Thank you for staying with us. Bye bye.